Hello everyone, welcome to the HITEC Laser YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a smart mirror production line or upgrade your glass processing factory, this video will show you a complete automated manufacturing solution from raw glass to finished smart mirror. First, we start with a 96-meter-long automated glass lifting and transportation system. Large sheets of raw mirror glass are safely transported and distributed to different processing stations, ensuring high efficiency and operator safety in large-scale production. Next is the automatic glass cutting system. Using vacuum adsorption positioning, the machine accurately aligns each glass sheet and performs high-precision cutting according to production requirements. This is the first step in transforming raw materials into standardized production components. Then we move into the continuous edge grinding production line. Multiple grinding and polishing units work together in a fully automated workflow, ensuring smooth, safe, and high-quality glass edges suitable for smart mirror applications. After grinding, the glass enters the chamfering station. Depending on product design requirements, sharp edges are processed into rounded or beveled edges to improve safety and product appearance. One of the most critical stages is the laser processing system. This fully automatic laser engraving station is controlled by industrial software, enabling precise marking of functional areas directly on the mirror surface. After laser processing, the mirror enters the coating stage. A semi-automatic spraying line applies eco-friendly water-based paint after thorough cleaning and drying, ensuring uniform coating adhesion and stable product quality. Next is the automatic film lamination system. This step protects the mirror surface from scratches and damage during transportation, storage, and installation. Finally, the products move into the assembly and testing section. Mirror frames, LED lighting systems, anti-fog modules, and control components are installed and fully tested to ensure proper functionality before shipment. Every unit goes through strict quality inspection before final approval. If you are planning to build a smart mirror factory or upgrade your existing production line, HITEC Laser can provide complete laser processing solutions and production line integration support.